Today I'm working on my personal boat, and I have some goodies here from our buddies over at WattCycle. They hooked us up with 4 lithium batteries. We are going to attempt to put these inside of the compartment in this Tracker PT190. Yes, this is my boat. All right, so check it out, guys. It got dark quick out here, but I did get everything hooked up. 3 Group 31 batteries inside of here. Now, I left it because the battery we put up there, that's 100 amp mini battery, so it fits in there perfectly fine. I strapped that one down, and that is basically powering all the electronics in the boat, my LiFeScope, and my 3 graphs, and it's also hooked to the switch panel at the console. And then right behind that, we have 2 50 amp hour batteries, and right behind that, we have the big 12 volt 100 amp hour battery. This is for the outboard motor, and I did crank it with the outboard, and it started up, and I let it run for about 15-20 minutes. I brought it up to about 2,500 RPMs, and no issues. So I'm hoping that it's gonna be good. I'm gonna take it out tomorrow and test it. So look, I did hook up my graphs, got our LiFeScope going, trolling motor, look, ready to go. All right, guys, last night got all the batteries installed in the boat. This morning, decided to take it out and do a little test run. We fished for about 4 hours. I was on that trolling motor religiously, cranked and started this motor up at least 5-6 times. No issues. Everything ran flawlessly. I'm very excited that this is done, man. This is a big plus for me. Having all these batteries into this small area over here, it's a humongous difference. But both the 100 amp hour batteries, well, those only went from like 99 down to like 80 something. So, I mean, that was 4 hours on the water. Regardless, this is sweet, man.